But if I stay, holding me and telling me it's okay, if I stay, then will you stay? Stay. Like this way.
Welcome to Poe Boys! Good morning guys, this is Poe and I'm making a video about my truck today because everyone's been asking what all do I have done to it, what's all of the info on it. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to get on these trees, but I did. This is my truck. This is a 2007 Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner 2-wheel drive. So Pre-Runner 2-wheel drive means that it's a 2-wheel drive Tacoma, but it's got the 4-liter V6 and it's also lifted from the factory. Not much, it's just like 4-wheel drive, same suspension. It's not the lowered like base truck model. It's an automatic and it's got 456 rear end, so it's pretty quick off the line. It's got a few things done to it. I've basically done everything that's done to this truck. So I had the truck from the day before Christmas on 2017 and it's currently February something 2019, so I've had it for a good while. It's been through a lot of different configurations. This truck is not really an off-road style like mudding truck. It's not 4-wheel drive, so you really don't have the capability of crawling and mudding like most trucks do. I mean, this truck will get through some mud, but it's just not a built mud truck. I don't like to take it through mud because it's bad for it, realistically. It's bad for vehicles. So what I'm gonna do is show you around basically all the stuff I've done to the truck or what it is done to right now, and it's definitely gonna change more in the future. It's just, this is what it is right now because everyone wants to know. So I've got a 32-inch light bar right there with brackets as well as fog cubes, basically the fog delete and its cubes, that you can buy that on eBay. The grill right here is nothing special. It's usually chrome, but I just took some color match paint from Pet Boys and color matched the paint on there. There's a little bit of pitting on my hood right here. You can tell from rocks and stuff. As well as this truck's only been in Arizona and Florida. That's where it's lived its life. And now it's in Louisiana, but Arizona and Florida, the sun is so hard, it pulls away that clear coat. So you can see it's a cloudy clear coat. I mean, it's not the best, but eventually it's probably gonna get a new paint job. This truck is extremely in good condition. There's no dents or dings on it. The only problems with it as of right now is the transmission is going out. But that's not a big problem because I just bought a new one. These are DWG off-road wheels that I painted blue. I spray painted these wheels blue. And you can tell they look pretty freaking good for being spray paint. Calipers are of course painted red. And these are 34 12.5 17s. They're 17 by 9 DWG off-road wheels. 34 tall, 12.5 wide. The suspension I've got up here, currently the Rancho adjustable shocks, so I can adjust dampening on them, as well as Tough Country upper control arms, brand new ball joints all the way around, brand new tie rods coming in as well too. In the back, we have TRD mid-travel shocks as well with brand new leafs due to a recall that came out from the Tacomas. The problem was they were getting slack inside of these bands right here that held the leafs together or something along the lines of that, and they were falling out and puncturing the gas tank. I took advantage of it because mine was squeaking, so I got brand new leafs not too long ago, and I'm telling you, it rides a lot better, as well as it doesn't squeak anymore, so I'm pretty happy about that. The back end is set for 22 inches of travel, so from here, it can move 22 inches, which is a lot of travel in the back. And I probably need limiting straps because I like to jump this truck. That's really what this truck's built for, is jumping. I'm gonna get limiting straps soon, and like I said, transmission's coming soon. We're gonna be putting that in, and then I'm gonna be beefing up the motor a little bit. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. All right guys, this is my powerhouse right here. Just a regular K&N cold air intake. The motor itself is built. What happened was a long time ago, driving down the road, motor didn't comply with driving down the road and I had to get it rebuilt. Long story short, I got forged rods, crank, and just some other small things. It's a built motor. It's good to handle about 800 horsepower out of just a little 4-liter V6. However, there is a lot of room right here for a snail, and we might be putting a turbo in this bad boy a little bit later. So pretty simple. I have have stock headlights. Those are going to change to the Spider ones eventually. These taillights that I have are just eBay specials. So you can see this whole white part right here shines red at nighttime, and the lights are really bright. I have also the third light to match. Stickers on the back because you gotta look like a race truck, and they add power, so might as well. These right here, these are just some flush mount LED pods that I put inside of there. Also, if you drive a Tacoma, you might not want to do this in the same spot. You might want to put them a little further out because there's a frame brace that goes right here. And what happened was these cubes are about this deep with heat fans. So what I had to do is take a cutting wheel and made them about this thick. This light right here is only about this thick because I had to cut all the heat fins off of it. And they're reverse lights, so they're not going to be on all the time. So it really doesn't matter if they're on there. But like I said, guys, it's just a simple little truck. It's not anything special. It's not anything crazy. It's just a truck that I built that I said, hey, this might look good. So time after time of me saying, hey, this might look good, I finally got somewhere. I've been through a ton of configurations, but it's finally in a good condition. So back here, I got the Rockford P3 and they go boom. That's about it. All cloth seating. On my dash, I have light bar switch, rock light switch because I have rock lights, and back cube switch. So all three of them on, all three of them are off. Simple as that. Fog lights right here, and this is my pedal commander right here. As soon as you press this button, it adjusts the throttle trim and it gives you a lot better throttle response. And then the truck itself right here, pretty simple. Radar detector, because always need to have one of those if it's legal in your state. If it's legal, then I recommend it just to know if a cop's shooting radar or not. I mean, I don't use it to get away from the law, but I just use it to see if he's shooting radar or not, because it's always something interesting to know. This was the first truck I got out of high school, and it's really just a budget build realistically. A wired power in right here, so I've got both 12 volt and USB power in here. This is hardwired, so the line of the radar detector goes down in my dash and it wires into the 12 volt right here on the other side of it. Sub control is right here, and that turns the subs on. Let me show off these speakers right here. I also have a brow right here. Brow goes down pretty far. Windshield's cracked. Oh, look! Ah! Ah! Yellow. Hi, Al. All right, bye. All right, y'all ready for it? Not crazy loud, but on it, focus on. That's my subs right there. Nothing crazy, but they go pretty loud. All right, also, you know that sound I was talking about that went grrr? That's this. Listen. But either way, I'm taking this truck. I just got a call from Gavin, and he's going to pick up a new toy most likely. So what I'm doing is heading back, and I'm gonna ride with him.
Yeah. I was fucking hauling ass. I was going at least 20 over just now. Here he comes. Okay. Sweet. This is gonna go interesting because we have a lot of guns on us right now. A lot of guns and ammunition.
He's gonna have all of us step out, most likely.
Only one.
We're going to turn around, stop you before you speak.
Yes, sir.
Slow it down a little bit for
Yes,
me,
sir.
okay?
I got you. I apologize once again.
Okay.
Believe it or not, that was like the best encounter that I've had with a cop.
Oh yeah, so by the way, I said we were going to Arkansas to pick up Gavin a car. We're on our way there and got pulled over.
Surprise.
Yeah, surprise. I forgot to tell you that
So there's the cop. Look at this. I'm so glad he did not look in the back seat. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pistols, a KSG.
I looked at that KSG and been like,
What the fuck? Yeah, he would have been probably not too happy. Yeah, I got a 74 and a.
He gave you a warning for a law that's illegal in Louisiana, and we're in Arkansas.
I'm so happy.
Baby, you could have gone.
I'm sorry, I'm looking at it.
We're looking at the car.
I'm looking at the little Mababa.
Mobamba.
All right, guys, so we're gonna be driving back. Gavin's car right there, brand new car. What's up, dude? We're gonna be driving back. I'm driving Allison back. Hopefully we don't have to tow him. Hopefully we make it work. What did you forget?
Hey, Pop, and this is the aux cord.
Where is the aux cord? If you look in front of you right now, you cannot see that Gavin is down there. I literally see Gavin's haircut, and that's it. This little plateau of hair. But other than that, you cannot see anything. If I were to pull forward right now, I would freaking total them. It's so funny.
Quiet, get ready to take it higher. Real nigga coming out your amplifier. Y'all want every black man to be rich and proud. Why these rappers fuck up and turn in shy, huh? Cell phone became your brother. Internet replace your mother. You leaving homies on red. It's no wonder all your friends dead.